In this VerTex review, I'm going to be showing you a software that will create done-for-you videos for you that you can use to get free traffic. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out VerTex, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the first foolproof traffic solution I've seen. See how these simple pre-made videos send us thousands of free clicks on autopilot in 60 seconds. Never get in front of the camera, no content creation, marketing experience, or tech skills needed. So essentially what the software will do is it will take these done for you videos. You can use them to get free traffic with the done for you traffic that's built inside. And I'm going to show you a complete demo on exactly how this works here in a second. Now, here they have proof here. They say viral traffic from our beta testers where people were actually able to get traffic and get sales from it. 3 simple steps. You pick up your copy, choose your pre-made marketing video, and then you can send out that to over 100 traffic sources built in to the software here. So I'm going to bring you down here, move past all this marketing mumbo jumbo here and go to the bottom to what you're going to get. If you purchase today, you're going to get access to the software, the over-the-shoulder tutorials, the quick startup wizard, all the extra bonuses for a one-time price. Now, one thing I want to show you here is if you come to the sales page and you move your mouse away, you can get an even bigger discount. You can get $5 off. Make sure you do that. I make less as an affiliate, but you get a better price on this. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. So I'm going to go over and show you a quick demo video, then I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
Hey everyone, welcome to the VerTex demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of the software. So after logging into the software, you will see the dashboard look like this, and you can see the left sidebar. Here are the features of the software. So here are some feature which is only the upgrade only features. As like example, you can see that the block feature, the DFI templates, and the agency feature, which will come only with the OTO upgrade. So first you can see the templates section. So you can see a lot of templates here. You can use any of them. So let's select on template and let's dive into it. So if you select a template, you will see a editor page in another tab. So you can edit the template as like your own choices. So here you can see the tools. You can change the design, you can add videos, you can add image, you can add text, you can add elements, you can add filters, or you can add audio, and you can add layers. So this is how you can edit your template. And after editing the template, you need to download the template and you need to save the template. So after selecting or editing a template, it will find in the my design section. So let's go to the my design section. So here you can see the templates. So from here you can delete the template or you can edit the template again. So after that you can see the social blast section. So from here you can share your project into the social media accounts. So you can use any of these or you can share all of them. So you can see, so you just need to select your project and you have to share it with any of these social media account. So you can see that there's no project as I didn't create any project yet. So after that you can see the upgrade only features, which is blog, DFI templates, and agency. So we'll talk about this later. And after that you can see the training section. So from here you can find the training videos of the software. After that the upgrades tab, so you can know about the upgrades from here. And after that you can see the support section. So if you have any issue with the software, you can contact us through the support section. You just need to create a ticket or submit a ticket to us, so we'll solve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this demo video and see you in the next video.
Okay, so we are back. Right here is the members area that you just saw here. We have access to all the different templates, designs, and the social traffic. There are a bunch of OTOs. In fact, there are, I believe, 11 of them. The first one here is going to give you unlimited traffic campaign. So this is the unlimited version of the software. It's just going to give you unlimited everything here. You won't have any limitations on your software. That's a one-time price of $37. The next one here is done for you traffic and sales. So they're going to set it up for you, select the products, drive the traffic, drive the sales for you, and do everything done for you. Now, this is going to cost you a little bit more because they are doing everything for you. So this is a one-time price there. The next one here, it says put VerTex on autopilot. So they're going to give you unlock autopilot traffic and sales here. So you can have the autopilot version of this to have the automation there. That one here is $39 for this. Next one is add 10,000 buyer leads to your order and profit with them in 30 seconds. So you can get 10,000 instant leads added into your software here. So if you want to get those 10,000 instant leads, you can pick this up. Next one, add 1,000 times profit templates to your order that have each made us $1,000 to $2,000 each. You can add all these different templates in. The next one here is let us do the hard work whilst you sit back, relax, and get paid big time. So they're going to show you a complete money-making system for this one here. The next one, steal an internet millionaire's best kept secrets that sell for $5K, get them all for $47. Next one, unlock 1,000 times more money with the a VerTex franchise. It looks like you keep all the money if you can sell and keep all the money with this one. The next one here, scale it to $1,000 every 60 minutes. It's a pretty big claim, but that's what they have here. Next one, let us send you 500 to 2,000 clicks magically over and over. So this is traffic. And the last one, unlock the hidden feature inside VerTex that's making newbies $500. So tons and tons of upsells. Guys, these are all optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about VerTex and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, it has a lot of upsells, a lot of upgrades. And I just want you, again, to feel like you don't need to like buy all these things. Pick and choose which ones you like, and just forget about the other ones. So don't let that dissuade you from your purchase. What do I like about this? I always like done for you things, especially for people that don't like to make videos or don't know how. This is something that could save you a lot of time and a lot of money. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out VerTex, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.